Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Neha and Preeti, for joining in. Today we are on chapter number 10. We are at the tail of chapter number 10, wherein we are learning about family के साथ boundaries कैसे set करते हैं. Before we start with how to set boundaries with the kids, let me share with you what have we learned so far in this chapter. Because Neha is joining in for the first time, and in any case, हम ये करते ही हैं whenever we meet after the weekend. So the first key learning was that tough love is healthy love. Boundaries are not punishment, they are protection. ठीक है. फिर हमने ये भी समझा था कि adulthood begins when we stop asking for permission to start honoring our needs. बाउंड्रीज जो पेरेंट्स के साथ होती हैं, इन लॉज के साथ होती है, एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली के साथ होती है, को पेरेंट्स की होती हैं, require clarity and a lot of repetition. Then we also understood that guilt is normal part of change. It is not a sign that something is wrong with you. It is just a sign that you are evolving, you are growing, and now you know yourself a little better. Then last but not the least, we learned that boundaries are about changing excess, not withdrawing love. Okay? So the core learning from whatever we have read so far was family roles may differ, may be familiar. Family roles may be familiar, but they are not fixed forever. आज जो हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, today we bring this learning to one of the most important relationships to of all, that is our children. How many of you feel कि हाँ बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी हैं और उनके साथ ठीक टाइम से ठीक बाउंड्रीज अगर सेट हो जाए, it would be wonderful. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, it's really important with the kids.
Absolutely. And good evening, Pranavi. Thank you for joining in. I want to share that boundaries with children are not about control. हम कई बार सोचते हैं कि हम बच्चों को किसी भी तरीके से बोल देंगे, कुछ भी उनको कंट्रोल करेंगे. दैट इज नॉट बाउंड्रीज. दे आर अबाउट गाइडेंस. ठीक है. Tonight we are going to learn how boundaries don't distance children from us. उल्टा है, they secure them. ठीक है. क्यों? क्योंकि when the adults are clear, the kids also feel very safe. अगर मैं कुछ बोल रही हूं थोड़ी देर पहले और थोड़ी देर बाद कुछ और बोल रही हूं, then what is going to happen? It is going to create confusion in the child and they feel unsure, unsafe, right? So let me start sharing the screen so that we can read together. Boundaries with your children. Children under the age of 18 are not emotionally capable of handling adult problems. Even when they are mature for their age, it is not appropriate to share adult stressors with them. Of course, as they get older, they are capable of handling more, along with explanations to help them understand more adult concepts. Having boundaries help children feel safer. Despite their opposition, they benefit from rules and structure, and limits are essential to teach them how to treat others and have healthy relationships. I will use the term age appropriate several times to describe a boundaries appropriateness for different age groups. When my clients are unsure about what's age appropriate, I ask them to look beyond what they were exposed to as children. It could be that their own experiences were inappropriate for their age. Instead, I request that they consider TV ratings, age suggestions for specific toys, and what a doctor might say about kids safely engaging in certain things. These suggestions should not be taken as hard rules, but it helps to strongly consider why they might be in the place for particular age group. Signs that you need boundaries with your children. They have no rules. Your parenting style is permissive. Your children are used as confidants. Your parenting style is punitive only. They are allowed to speak to others inappropriately. Ensuring they have healthy food options available. What happened? Okay. Discussing feelings and emotions in an age appropriate manner. Not using a child as a confidant. Not expecting kids to be the caregivers for your younger children at the home. Teaching kids to take care of themselves in an age appropriate manner. Exposing kids to age suitable entertainment. Monitoring online and social media usage. This is what boundaries will sound like when you start setting boundaries. है ना, यही लिखा हुआ था. अच्छा, I missed on this. Boundaries with the children look like this. Setting an age appropriate bedtime for small kids. How many of you feel कि आपका first child था तो it was okay, but when you had a second child, that child became a slight caregiver to your younger one? Did that happen? अच्छा, प्रीति का तो है ही एक. प्रीति क्या बोलेगी इसके बारे में? प्रणवी, what do you think?
जब
Can you just repeat the question, Karishma? थोड़ा confusion है.
So I said that this is something, not expecting kids to be the caregiver for the younger children in the home. So did it ever happen? So it happened with me basically. That is why this came to my, as a catch. Ki when I had my second daughter, so I would leave my little one with the elder one who was only 2.5 years. Yeah, almost 3 years older than her. And I would tell her, इसका ध्यान रखियो ये नीचे ना गिर जाए. And I will go do something quickly and come back. I expected that she would take just the perfect care for her. And multiple times it happened because I always used to tell her कि तू उसको गोदी मत उठाइयो, तुझसे गिर जाएगी. You are too young to hold her in the गोदी. And what she would do is कि जल्दी से उसको गोदी उठा लेती थी. And the moment she would hear me coming, the footsteps, she would leave her wherever she would be. जमीन पे है तो जमीन पे छोड़ देगी, कि नहीं है तो अपने आप आ गई नीचे. ड्रेसर के पास अगर खड़ी है तो ड्रेसिंग टेबल के ऊपर छोड़ देती थी कि ये तो यहीं पे थी. And I used to feel like कि कैसे करती है ऐसे. But with time I realized that this is something that should not be done. Why should I be making the young elder one responsible कि तू 10 मिनट उसका ख्याल रखियो? So that was my question कि did it happen to you as well?
Just a moment. Yeah, Karishma. For me, तो my son is just elder to my daughter by just 1 year. 1 year, 1 month. So, I mean, there was not a place for me to ask to take care of the younger ones. So, never I got that situation, Karishma. But these days, when I ask him also, he's like, no, I'm busy with that. I'm busy with this. In one or the other way, he'll try to escape. And then later again, after a while, he will realize that, no, I am her sibling. No, I have to do karka. Again, he'll then call. The best thing is yesterday, my daughter went to Bangalore. So he stays in Bangalore only. You just pick her up from the railway station karke, his father told. And he's like, no, I have that exam, this exam and all. Again, somewhere he felt that, oh my, she's a girl, no. It's better I again receive her karke. Again, he called us back. And he said, no, not needed. She's fine karke, we told. So, yeah, it's like that.
Yes. And in many houses, I've also seen, especially where I stay, that there is no boundary to what kind of movies the kids need to watch. लड़ाई वाली भी देख रहे हैं, लव वाली भी देख रहे हैं, पेट्रियोटिज्म वाली भी देख रहे हैं. Everything they are watching. Especially it did happen with my own kids. So I feel that there is it is necessary to set boundaries there as well. Of course, 10 12 साल तक I was very conscious of what to show to them and what not to show to them, कि हाँ ये वाला कार्टून अच्छा है, ये वाला देखो, this and that. But जहां तक movies, movies also have those tags. This is eligible for this age group of kids and this and that. So, yes, exactly, Neha. Even parents take kids to cinema halls for romantic movies. तो हम कहीं ना कहीं उस चीज में भी लैक कहीं ना कहीं पेरेंटिंग में कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक very nicely the boundaries should be set over there as well. जब हम बाउंड्री सेट करते हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए, इट बेसिकली teaches children structure, safety, and the decorum maybe that they need to stay in. Children don't need unlimited access to everything. They need subtle things that are age appropriate. So many times I have seen kids जहां पर उनको they're always told a yes, yes, yes. And the moment you say no to them, it becomes a chaos. When you keep yourself in order, कहाँ पे yes बोलना है, कहाँ पर no बोलना है, we also as parents need to understand that saying no does not mean that we are abandoning kids from something. It does not harm children. But if we say yes to one thing once and no to the same thing next time, that inconsistency is going to harm the child. स्क्रीन टाइम पे हम लोग बाउंड्री सेट करते हैं बच्चों की. एंड डू वी, जैसे जैसे हमने पहले इन सब हाउ टू सेट बाउंड्रीज इतनी पूरी बुक पढ़ ली है, उसके अंदर हम बोलते हैं कि यू हैव टू कीप योर वर्ड्स. डू यू कीप योर वर्ड्स देयर? When you enforce a bedtime routine, do you stick to it? And these are some things that we need to think of. I want you to reflect on where do you feel most challenged saying no to your kids.
In my case, though, it is like I'm not liking my children to be, on the internet, and it will be so problem for me, or it's a big challenge for me to make them out of this networking world, Karishma. Such a tough task.
And what's the age of your kids? They're quite
Yeah, my boy is 20 and girl is 19.
हाँ, तो फिर अभी तो 18 साल से भी ऊपर हो गए, अब क्या बाउंड्री सेट करोगे?
Yeah, but still too, it's like I feel so scared seeing them. Oh my God, they're in the zone of distraction world, and I don't know what all is getting feeded into their brain. How should I ask them to stop? And even in case if I ask them to stop, also I should give another alternative to how to work
Exactly.
that productive time. And they are not. I mean, they don't belong to our generation or Karishma, like reading a book or doing some other activity or watching television and all. That has become a boredom process for them.
Hmm.
So that way, I feel very sad and challenging also. Yeah.
I have studied parenting as well, and I still remember one of the concepts wherein they say that let the child be bored when they are young. Why? Because then they will explore and their creative genius is going to awaken and that is going to find different ways how to spend time. That is when the child explores painting. That is when kids learn a lot of things. Neha, we are reading Set Boundaries, Find Peace. So, had we knew about such boundaries earlier, maybe we could have implemented it. But yes, it is not too late for even when we have, young adults at home, we can start now as well. Neha, what is the age group of your kids? Or are you married? Even I don't know. No, I'm not married yet. वाह, ये ठीक टाइम पे सीख रही है नेहा. Neha is learning it at the exact right time. शादी से पहले ही सीख लो भैया. चलो, let me share the screen to read further. Boundaries with the children sound like you have school in the morning at 9 o'clock. It's time for bed. Have you had any water today? No more juice until you have few cups of water. I am the parent. I will take care of your brother. Please go to your room. I need to talk to grandma alone. What you are watching is inappropriate. I'm changing settings to filter out unsuitable content. It's okay to feel angry. What are some ways to behave when you feel angry? Wow, this is such a powerful question. अगर हम बचपन से ही बच्चों को ऊपर ये क्वेश्चन पूछ लें, the child is going to explore what can the child do, right? Important reminders. Even when kids seem mature for their age, it is essential to allow them to stay in kids' reality. Children don't need to know the details of everything that happens with adults. Kids feel safe when limits are in place consistently. ठीक है? Anything that you want to share before we move ahead on this part? We just need to understand that structure is a form of love and we need to create a structure for our kids. ठीक है? चलो, let's move forward. Teaching kids how to have healthy boundaries. Adults often forget that children need boundaries too. The forgetfulness is evidenced by adults blatantly either saying or acting as though you are a kid, so no one cares about your feelings. This is so important. Adults need to remember that kids have feelings and benefit significantly from being allowed to explore and express those feelings. Kids are impacted by the things that adults expose them to. They're affected by how adults respond to their problems. They hold memories about how adults made them feel. They aren't companions or confidants, lack the mental capacity to appropriately manage adult issues, no matter what their behavior reflects. They have boundaries. Most of the adults I work with can clearly remember how their boundaries were violated in childhood and how they still struggle to repair the damage from those violations. They also struggle to incorporate healthy boundaries in their adult lives. Children must learn that having boundaries is healthy for them. Kids are aware that they can't demand their wishes be respected. So they request that adults hear them when they make small bids for healthy boundaries. Boundaries that a child might set sound like, can you please stop saying mean things about dad? Wow. You never pay attention to me. Why don't you just listen? I don't want to give you a hug. I need you to put down your phone and spend more time with me. I don't like talking to grandma. She's always mean to me. Ooh. It is important to listen to children when they make a request like these and to honor their boundaries whenever possible. This is so good. And if your child is doing that, know that the child is already a learned soul. I can say that because whenever my daughter wants to talk to me, she will tell me, आपका फोन कहाँ है? And I will be like, ये रहा. And she's like, सबसे पहले वो उस फोन को उठा के कहीं तो छुपा के आएगी कि अभी ये फोन नहीं देख सकती. And then she will tell me, चलो वॉक करने चलते हैं. And then when we go for a walk, then obviously I have nothing else to think about and talk about. So she will tell all her stories at that time. And we will walk until she's done with her talks. She tells me, जब मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ ना, आप फोन मत देखा करो और आप मेरे साथ वॉक करने चलो. That is a boundary that she has set.
That's nice.
Yes, it is.
In my case, so my daughter will again ask a very important question from the topic she discusses, Karishma. There I'll be caught. I don't know. That's another way of setting boundary, I guess. I should.
Yes, absolutely. कि आप मेरे को attentively सुन भी रहे हो. My daughter will ask me for suggestions in between because I have made it a point कि ये जो भी बोलेगी, the moment, because she's also a teenager, so the moment I will start saying something, तुझे पता है, you should be doing this, so she will be very defensive. I will talk only and only when she asks me, what do you suggest? आपको क्या लगता है? Is that right or wrong? And she does that because she wants to check कि मैंने सुना भी है. And kids are very smart now. What do we have in the chat? Okay. Implement कैसे करोगे इसको? अब. It is very important, and this little one, she never wants to hug anyone. And if she hugs and you hug her back, then she's like, I did not ask for a hug. I'm hugging you because I want to hug you. So I am like, I am a hug person. I want to hug you. Now, if you are hugging me, I feel ना कि हाँ अभी तू मुझको hug कर रही है, अभी मैं भी जल्दी से hug कर लेती हूँ. Like नहीं, I will let you know when you can hug me. मैं को okay. She is very much boundary oriented. She keeps on doing things like that. Other two do not say anything. They don't do much about it. The only thing they don't want is मुझसे तेज की मत बात किया करो. That's it. That is the only boundary they have. But this little one has many boundaries. ये मत किया करो, ऐसे मत किया करो, ये मत किया करो. What boundary skills do you want your child to grow up with? Is my question to you. Good evening, Komal. Thank you for joining in.
Good evening, Karishma.
You have missed a very important part today, pata hai? We are discussing children. Hanji, Preeti, you were sharing. What is that one boundary that you would love for your children to grow up with? Your child.
Wake up on time and sleep on time.
Hmm.
जैसे मेरा बेटा बड़ा हो गया ना, he is like 19 and going to be 20 soon, maybe June. तो then अब उसको लगता है अगर कुछ भी उसको बोलती हूँ तो he said, I'm not a baby, I'm not child, I'm not child, don't tell me anything.
You know, how will that come actually? If he gets conscious about his own health, then he will realize, because I've seen that happening. So my brother-in-law's son, he used to sleep at any time. He would wake up at any time. But since he has gotten into fitness, कि I need to be fit, I need to go running, I need to go cycling and everything, I see him so disciplined that he gets up at right time and he sleeps at right time as well. कि 10 बज गया, I need to sleep and I need full sleep. And I'm like,
Normally
wow.
जब उसको जाना होता है then it's on time and then gets up on time. Obviously he needs to reach for his lessons.
Yes.
Otherwise अगर जब नहीं जाना होता देन वो फिर लेट सोएगा. कई बार फील होंगी कि स्टिल अगर तू लेट भी सो रहा है तो स्टिल ट्राई टू गेट अप अर्ली. ये नहीं कि भाई इतनी लेट तक सो रहा है क्योंकि मैं जा रही हूँ और फिर वो अभी भी सो रहा है तो आई डोंट लाइक इट.
And we do not have any right if we do not model them the same.
यस ये
Yeah. हम भी ऐसे करते हैं ना, जिस दिन काम नहीं है आराम से उठ जाएंगे, चल ना कोई नहीं.
हाँ मतलब कि लेकिन फिर भी हम ये नहीं है कई बार कि भी 9 बजे उठ रहे हैं 10 बजे उठ रहे हैं. नॉर्मली जैसे बहुत ही कभी होता है कि जब अगर मान लो हम रात को बहुत ही लेट सोए हैं, एक कहीं गए हैं, 1 बजे सो रहे हैं, 2 बजे सो रहे हैं, देन हो सकता है कि भाई इतनी लेट उठे 9 बजे। अ,
हम्म।
एक आध बारी हुआ है, अदरवाइज मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि 7 या 7:30 तक तो उठ ही जाऊं, अगर छुट्टी वाले दिन भी, सैटरडे और संडे भी।
Awesome. Great. What about you, Komal? What is that one boundary that you would love for your kids to grow up with? Pranavi, would you like to share?
Um, it's like not exactly boundary, but then it's like the kind of eat the frog concept, Karishma. So whatever is there in the mornings when the energies and the universe is very fresh, it's better you go for a bigger task and first complete it off so that the whole day will be very peaceful.
Absolutely.
Um,
Wonderful.
That's the
So
thing I tell them.
give them the book.
Yeah, and my daughter, though, after going her to her hostel also, she still tells that early in the morning, 4:35. During that time, I keep hearing your voices, like we get up and just or something like that. And it is so pity on me that even though you're far away miles from me, yet I remember your voice. Then I realized that that was a very strong boundary I have given to them. Ki, no, that like you need to work on it. Karke.
Mm.
So, and even my son also, whenever I call him, how are you doing? He says, I'm physically fit, I'm going to gym, and my sleep cycle is proper. So I think I'm fine with myself. I don't know, without asking that question itself, they will just start with that topic, Karishma. Then later they keep telling so many things.
It's okay. It's okay. Good. Chalo, let's move forward to the last part of this chapter so that tomorrow we can start afresh. Setting limits with the family, sorry. Setting limits with family is particularly challenging. For years, your family has grown accustomed to you acting a certain way and playing a particular role. Change becomes necessary when you no longer want a situation to stay this way it has been. As difficult it might seem, improving boundaries with your family is likely to create a better relationship with them. This is so true and so honest, I would say, that this has been said. Because your family knows you from the older version of you. And I keep on repeating this as well. And it takes time for them to understand what are you wanting to do now. Family gets used to us playing a certain role. जब हम बाउंड्री सेट करते हैं, it disrupts the pattern, and that disruption often feels very uncomfortable क्योंकि they are not used to that, right? आवाज नीचे, आवाज नीचे। अरे भाई, कल तक तो ठीक थी, ऐसा क्या पढ़ लिया इसने पाठ जो अभी इसको आवाज नीचे चाहिए? Yeah. Likewise, children may also resist new limits initially. Beta, this is my working hour. Don't come to this room. Beta, this is my working. But when you keep on repeating the same thing again and again, they finally give it up. They give in. कि ठीक है भैया, ये इनका वर्किंग आवर है, ये नहीं सुनने वाली है। रेजिस्टेंस का मतलब डैमेज नहीं है, इट इज एडजस्टमेंट। और कंसिस्टेंसी क्रिएट्स इमोशनल सेफ्टी ओवर टाइम। जब आप न्यू बाउंड्री सेट करोगे, आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी तो वहां पे ब्रेक हुई है, राइट? तो इमोशनल सेफ्टी भी हिलने वाली है फॉर द पर्सन हु वाज ऑलवेज येल्ड एट, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन स्टार्ट सेइंग आवाज नीचे बात करो, आवाज नीचे में बात करो। तो एकदम से तो सब कुछ चेंज हो गया ना, वर्जन। तो इट विल टेक टाइम फॉर देम टू एडजस्ट टू दैट एज वेल। So it happens over time. ठीक है? Basically, what I understood from the entire chapter is that discomfort is a part of growth, not a reason to stop. Anytime, anywhere in life, you set a boundary with yourself, with your in laws, with your parents, with your children, with your spouse, with your loved ones, with co parent, there is going to be discomfort and growth will happen there. Okay, ji? There is a beautiful exercise at the end of this chapter. Oops, where did I go? I hopped onto the book directly. Oh, instead of sharing. Neha, Neha, what is funny? नेहा बोल रही है मैं किस सेशन में आ गई हूँ, आज तो बच्चों की बात हो रही है. कोई बात नहीं नेहा, यू विल हैव मोर. वी आर हियर टुगेदर फॉर नेक्स्ट 7 days, राइट? ऑल राइट, द एक्सरसाइज. अच्छा, ये इसको शेयर तो करो स्क्रीन को सो दैट इट गेट्स बिगर. Grab your journal or a separate sheet of paper to complete the following exercise. Question number 1 is, how do you feel about setting boundaries with your family? How do you feel?
समटाइम्स वही अपने मन में ही सोचते हैं कि भाई ये हाउ आर दे गोइंग टू रिएक्ट.
Yes. Anybody else wants to share? How do
That
you feel?
now I'll try to face the discomfort, but I will try to visualize the end product, Karishma.
Wow, nice. I like that. Who in your family do you think would be the most receptive to your boundaries? Most receptive.
No one, Karishma.
What about you, Preeti?
Most receptive means he's like ready.
Yes.
अभी तो अभी तो they just try to push the boundary.
Nobody will be receptive immediately. 2,
क्योंकि
3,
अब
4.
अब उन्हें लगता है कि हम तो पहले ही अडल्ट हैं तो why is she trying to control us?
But you know what? I'm blessed with beautiful daughters. They're so humble. They are so sweet. They take my boundaries very quickly.
No, the girls are like sweet always.
Yes.
As a girl, जब हम भी girls थे तो हम ज्यादातर
Yes.
we were more humble in
Yes.
the comparison of our like brothers.
Daughters.
In my case, totally opposite. My boy is very sincere and a very nice guy, and this girl is like, oh,
Naughty.
yeah, it's very tough to set boundary for her.
Who in your family do you think would be the least receptive to your boundaries? इसका आंसर तो मेरे को सबका ही पता है. चलो बता दो. प्रीति?
Like who the least what do you I didn't understand that.
Least receptive. They will have lots of, this resistance towards your boundaries.
Yeah, mainly husband.
In my case, yes, in my case, father. Yes, of course, male figures in the family.
यस ये वो सोचते हैं कि ये मुझे समझाएगी. वो कहेंगे
Oh,
अपना ज्यादा ना मुझे ज्ञान मत दिया कर.
yes, absolutely. Komal, are you with us? Komal? Komal is not with us. Pranavi, from who would be your least receptive in your family?
My daughter, Karishma.
Who?
My daughter.
डॉटर. अरे वाह, अरे वाह. चलो, ये भी मिथ ब्रेक हो गया कि सिर्फ मेल मेल फिगर्स नहीं होंगे, बेटी भी हो सकती है बाबा. गुड, आई लाइक दैट. Name two boundaries that you would like to implement with your family. Two boundaries that you would like to implement with your family.
हम्म, कि आवाज ना रेज करें और आराम से बात करें, That's it. एक दूसरे से रिस्पेक्टफुली,
Beautiful.
Hi,
समथिंग
Karishma, I have something to share
Yes.
in this. मैं तो ये बोलूंगी कि जब मैं फोन पे बात करती हूँ तो सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है।
That is a beautiful boundary. You must set it. Yes.
Yes, वो ब्रीच होता है वहां पे ना हमारा।
Hmm.
इतने फ्री फ्रेंड्स आर टॉकिंग, उनको सुनना है कि हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं।
Good.
So
That
that
is one boundary you can start, setting. Every time you notice somebody listening to you while you're on the phone, you can tell them, cut it.
हाँ, ये वाले तो करूंगी। दूसरा सोचती हूँ।
एंड अगर आप 15-20 बार कर दोगे, दे विल अंडरस्टैंड, भैया इसको पकड़ लेती है बार बार, इसको छोड़ ही देते हैं अभी। गुड। थिंक अबाउट अनदर बाउंड्री एज वेल, नेहा। मीनवाइल लेट्स हियर प्रणवी। प्रणवी, आपकी क्या दो बाउंड्रीज होने वाली हैं?
Uh, minimize the usage of cell phones,
Hmm.
and my kids, they are very much shy, Karishma.
Hmm.
Can't say shy, but then they're very reserved.
Hmm.
So I need to break that boundary rather than forming that boundary. But that itself will be a boundary for me, in fact.
Hmm.
So they should know how to socialize in a much open and humble way. So
Hmm.
tell them, but them, of course, they will give their attempt, but their personality also counts to an extent. But
Hmm.
yet, so yeah, these are the two boundaries. One boundary is avoid the usage of phone as much as possible, and second thing is just try to be human.
Hmm. Wonderful. Now that you all know what two boundaries you want to implement, the last question says, what actions or follow-up might be necessary for your family to adhere to your boundaries? What do you need to do with it? How will you make it to be implemented with your family?
just doing the reminders, just
Hmm?
reminding them.
With the help of repetitions.
Repetition is the keys. Reiterations, absolutely. Absolutely. And I believe that वो तो सो ही रही है। वैसे हमने जितनी भी बाउंड्रीज अभी सुनी है, which do you think is the most empowering and which feels the hardest?
Mm.
सोचना इसके बारे में, or maybe you can just think of it for yourself. What is the most empowering boundary that I can set for my family? And which one boundary that I'm thinking of will feel the hardest for everyone to, receive?
करिश्मा, आप रिलेटिव्स का पढ़ चुके हो क्या कि वो इंटरेस्टिंग है?
We read about relatives.
वो सबसे पहले सैलरी पे क्वेश्चन आता है ना, वहां पे मुझे होता है कि
It is a
दैट
boundary
इज
that you need to set. Nobody should be, it is very indecent. You can set a boundary around asking them to, when are you marrying? When are you having kids? What is your salary? What do you do? Blah, blah, blah. You can set boundaries for everything.
यस, दैट्स वेरी अनोइंग व्हेन दे आस्क सच पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस।
Hmm.
कहाँ काम करते हो, कितना कमाते हो, बॉयफ्रेंड बना है कि नहीं, शादी कब कर रहे हो, यू नो, लाइक एन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। एंड इतना टाइम पे वो होता है कि व्हाट टू आंसर, और उस टाइम सोशल प्रेशर भी बना लेते हैं वो लोग।
They
तो आई
perceive multiple things, they think multiple things, but that is a boundary for yourself to create for yourself. दुनिया जो बोलती है, सोचती है, सोचने दो. I don't care. I know who I am. I can be true to
Yeah.
myself, and I can be good as much as I am. Anybody else's actions, reactions, questions should not change me. So this is one thing that my mom, taught me when I was really young. That is, अगर सांप डसना नहीं छोड़ता है तो तुम अपनी अच्छाई क्यों छोड़ देते हो? सांप के
Hmm.
साथ आप जितना मर्जी अच्छा कर लो, will it stop from hissing or pulling out his fangs? No.
Hmm.
So no matter how good or bad somebody else is, why do you leave your own personality?
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. आज हमने बच्चों के बारे में पढ़ा है. So I will close this session by saying children don't need perfect parents. They need emotional regulation and consistent ones. Also, always remember that boundaries don't push children away. They teach them how to feel safe in relationships. All right. We will be meeting tomorrow, and tomorrow we will be diving into the next part of this book, that is chapter number 11, and we'll be talking about romantic relationships. Okay. So we mostly have it. Neha भी सीख जाएगी before she gets into one. ठीक है ना? तो take good care of yourself. God bless you. And before I close, I just want you to share at least one takeaway from this session in the group. आप जिस ग्रुप में ऐड हुए हो ना, put one learning जो भी आज के चैप्टर में आज की रीड से आपको मिली है. ठीक है? And see you tomorrow at 10 p.m. Take good care of yourself. Lots and lots and lots of love. Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you, Karishma. God
Good
bless you all.
Good night to all. Bye bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.